Hello friends, welcome to my channel Stocks with Mac, and in this video we would take a look at some of the stocks held by Life Insurance Corporation of India, which was 100 rupees. So we can take a look at that. Before going to the video, if this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button. It will be a great support for making new videos for you. We can go to the video. Life Insurance Corporation of India is an Indian government-owned insurance and investment corporation, and it was under the ownership of Ministry of Finance. And in this video we may take a look at 5 stocks which are NHPC, Indian Overseas Bank, GMR Infra, PTC India and Aban Offshore, which was under 100 rupees and held by LIC. So we can take a detailed look of these stocks. The first stock is NHPC Limited. NHPC Limited is an Indian government hydropower board under the ownership of Ministry of Power, and the current market price of this share is 27 rupees. And we can see the annual net profit of this company improving for the last 2 years, and RSI indicating a good price trend. So please add the stock in your watch list and make a good investment decision whenever a nice breakout is possible, and keep a view on the stock. We can move to the next stock. The second stock is Indian Overseas Bank. Indian Overseas Bank is a major Indian government owned bank, and it was under the ownership of Ministry of Finance. The current market price is 20 rupees. While we looking at the financials of the company, we can see the company run with a very low debt, and the price was above the short, medium and long term moving averages, so it shows a bullish character, and the RSI indicating a good price trend. So you can also watch this stock for future. The third stock is GMR Infra. GMR Group is an Indian infrastructure development company headquartered in New Delhi. The current market price of this stock is 28 rupees, and we can see the price of this stock is above short, medium and long term moving averages, so it shows a bullish character, and the RSI indicating a good price trend. While we looking at the financials of this stock, we can also see there is a degrowth in the revenue and the profit, so it was also considered while we making an investment decision. The next stock is PTC India. PTC India is formerly a power trading corporation, provides power trading solutions, cross-border power trading and consultancy service. The current market price of this stock is 98 rupees. While we looking at the financial details and other details, we can see this company is with zero promoter pledge, and RSI indicating a good price trend for its share price, and the price was above the short, medium and long term moving averages, so we can clearly see a bullish trend. It is also a stock for future, so you can add the stock in your watch list and make a good investment decision whenever a breakout entry is possible. The last stock is Aban Offshore. Aban Offshore is India's largest offshore drilling service provider. Its services are mainly used by oil company, especially Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India (ONGC). The current market is 6 rupees. While we looking at the financials of the share price, we can see the stock gained more than 20% in 1 month, and RSI indicating a good price trend. But we can also see the annual net profit of the company is declining for the last 2 years. So wait for a positive news, add this stock in your watch list and watch for future. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.